Welcome to New York City, the financial heartbeat of the United States and a global economic powerhouse. In this video, we'll explore the vibrant and diverse economy of the Big Apple, diving into key sectors, employment trends, economic challenges, and the future outlook. New York City is famously home to Wall Street, the world's leading financial center. The New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ, two of the largest stock exchanges, drive the financial services sector, contributing significantly to the city's economy. In 2023, the financial industry alone accounted for nearly 10% of the city's employment and over 20% of its GDP. Financial services include banking, insurance, and asset management, which together employ hundreds of thousands of people. This sector's influence extends beyond the city, impacting global markets and economies. Beyond finance, New York City has emerged as a tech hub. Silicon Alley, centered in Manhattan and extending to Brooklyn, hosts numerous tech giants like Google, Facebook, and Amazon, alongside a thriving startup ecosystem. The tech sector has been growing rapidly, with over 300,000 people employed in technology-related jobs. This growth is fueled by a robust venture capital environment, with NYC startups raising over $50 billion in 2022. Initiatives like the Cornell Tech Campus on Roosevelt Island aim to foster innovation and entrepreneurship, making NYC a rival to Silicon Valley. Entertainment and tourism also play vital roles. Broadway theaters, iconic landmarks like the Statue of Liberty in Times Square, and world-class museums attract millions of tourists each year. In 2022, the tourism sector generated over $70 billion in economic activity, supporting hundreds of thousands of jobs in hospitality, retail, and entertainment. New York City's cultural diversity and vibrant art scene make it a top destination for both domestic and international tourists, contributing significantly to local businesses and the economy. New York City is a global fashion capital. The fashion industry, encompassing design, manufacturing, and retail, employs over 180,000 people. Events like New York Fashion Week draw international attention, boosting the city's reputation and economy. The Garment District in Manhattan remains a hub for designers and manufacturers, while luxury brands and retail giants have flagship stores on Fifth Avenue. The city's fashion schools, like the Fashion Institute of Technology, FIT, produce top talent that drives innovation and trends worldwide. The Port of New York and New Jersey is the busiest on the East Coast and a crucial logistics hub. Handling over 7 million TEUs, 20-foot equivalent units annually, it facilitates international trade and supports a vast network of transportation and warehousing jobs. The port's strategic location and infrastructure investments have made it a key player in global supply chains. Additionally, initiatives to enhance port efficiency and sustainability are underway, ensuring it remains competitive in the face of growing global trade. Small businesses are the backbone of NYC's economy. From family-owned restaurants in Chinatown to independent boutiques in Williamsburg, these enterprises enrich the city's cultural fabric and provide employment for over half of the private sector workforce. Small businesses face unique challenges, including high rents and regulatory hurdles, but they are essential for community identity and economic diversity. City programs and support networks aim to foster entrepreneurship and provide resources to help these businesses thrive. Education and healthcare are major sectors. Prestigious institutions like Columbia University and New York University not only educate but also drive research and innovation. These universities attract top talent from around the world, contributing to the city's intellectual and cultural capital. Meanwhile, healthcare employs over 600,000 people, with renowned hospitals like New York Presbyterian and Mount Sinai leading in medical research and patient care. The healthcare sector is expanding with investments in biotechnology and telemedicine, responding to both local and global health needs. Real estate and construction are integral to the city's growth. Despite high costs, the sector remains robust, with ongoing developments in commercial and residential properties. In 2023, construction spending exceeded $60 billion, reflecting sustained demand and investment. Major projects like Hudson Yards and the redevelopment of Penn Station are transforming the cityscape. However, the real estate market faces challenges such as affordability and regulatory changes, influencing future growth and development patterns. However, New York City faces significant economic challenges. Income inequality is stark, with a high cost of living exacerbating disparities. Over 20% of residents live below the poverty line, and the city has one of the highest homelessness rates in the country. Affordable housing remains a critical issue, with initiatives like rent stabilization and affordable housing developments aiming to address these concerns. Efforts to tackle economic inequality include expanding access to education and job training programs and increasing the minimum wage. Sustainability is also on the agenda. NYC is investing in green energy and infrastructure to combat climate change. Initiatives like the Green New Deal aim to reduce emissions and promote environmental resilience. The city's Climate Mobilization Act mandates energy efficiency upgrades for buildings, and there are ongoing projects to expand green spaces and improve public transportation. Renewable energy projects, such as offshore wind farms and solar installations, are crucial for achieving the city's ambitious climate goals. New York City's strength lies in its diversity. The city is a melting pot of cultures, with vibrant neighborhoods like Harlem, Little Italy, and Flushing, each contributing unique flavors to the city's economic and cultural landscape. Immigrants play a vital role in the economy, from owning small businesses to working in essential services. Community organizations and local initiatives support economic integration and cultural preservation, fostering a sense of belonging and resilience. New York City's economy is a complex tapestry of industries and cultures. Its resilience and adaptability continue to drive its evolution as a global economic leader. From finance to fashion, technology to tourism, the city's dynamic economy shapes and is shaped by the millions who call it home. As we look to the future, New York City's commitment to innovation, sustainability, and inclusivity will ensure its continued success on the world stage. Fun facts and statistics about NYC's economy. Wall Street influence. The New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, trades about $169 billion in securities every day, making it the largest stock exchange in the world by market capitalization. Tech hub growth. NYC's tech sector is booming, with Silicon Alley startups raising over $50 billion in venture capital in 2022 alone. Tourism powerhouse, New York City, welcomed over 66 million visitors in 2022. Times Square sees an average of 360,000 pedestrians daily. Fashion industry. Impact, New York. Fashion Week generates approximately $900 million in revenue annually. The Garment District is still a vital hub for designers and manufacturers. Port activity. The Port of New York and New Jersey handles goods worth over $200 billion each year, making it the busiest port on the East Coast. Small business vitality. NYC is home to over 220,000 small businesses. Approximately 98% of all businesses in the city have fewer than 100 employees. Educational excellence. NYC's universities and research institutions receive billions in federal research funding annually. Columbia University and NYU are among the top recipients. Real estate development. Hudson Yards is the largest private real estate development in the United States, spanning over 18 million square feet. High rents. The median rent for a one-bedroom apartment in Manhattan was over $3,500 in 2023, highlighting the city's affordability crisis. Green initiatives. NYC aims to have 100% of its electricity come from renewable sources by 2040. Projects like offshore wind farms are crucial for this goal. Diverse population. Nearly 40% of NYC's population is foreign-born, and the city is home to over 800 languages, making it one of the most linguistically diverse cities in the world. Cultural landmarks. Broadway shows attract millions of tourists each year, contributing to a $70 billion tourism sector in 2022. Healthcare employment. The healthcare sector employs over 600,000 people. Renowned hospitals like New York Presbyterian and Mount Sinai are leaders in medical research and patient care. Construction boom. In 2023, construction spending in NYC exceeded $60 billion, driven by both residential and commercial projects. Income. Inequality. Over 20% of NYC residents live below the poverty line, and the city has one of the highest homelessness rates in the country. Economic diversity. NYC's economy is not just about finance. It's a diverse mix of industries including tech, fashion, education, healthcare, real estate, and small businesses.